Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Matter pertains to appointment to the post of Deputy Director in the other backward class category. Appointments to the vacancies in the aforesaid post were to be made in the Office of Competition Commission of India. The three appellants in these three appeals were also the candidates who appeared in the written test after qualifying the written test. They also faced the interview. However, their names did not appear in the list of candidates finally selected according to the appellants. Their non selection was the result of altering the prescribed mode of selection midway, that is, after the initiation of recruitment process, which was impermissible. Para. This contention has not found favor with either the learned single judge in the writ petition filed by then or the division bench of the High Court in the appeals filed by them challenging the order of the learned single judge. Bone of contention before us also remains the same. Therefore, the issue which needs to be decided is as to whether there was any change in the mode of selections after the process of selection had started. CCI had issued the notification through public notice inviting applications for various posts. We are concerned with the post of Deputy Director, for which 13 vacancies where clause 7 of the notification stipulated the mode of selection in the following manner. All the applications received by the due date will be screened with reference to the minimum qualification criteria. Para. From amongst the eligible candidates, suitable candidates will be shortlisted through a transparent mechanism, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview before final selection. Mere fulfilling of minimum qualifications by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview. The eligibility, qualification, experience required for this post was also provided in the advertisement. It is undisputed that the appellants fulfilled the eligibility condition, being holder of degree of bachelor or of law as well as 3 years experience in the relevant field including in the corporate sector. Written test for this post was held on for short listing of candidates for interview. Admit card was also issued to the appellants for appearing in the written test along with the detailed instructions including the scheme of examination. Paragraphs 4 and 9 of the instructions which were given to the examined candidates are relevant for our purposes, and therefore we reproduce the same hereunder.